to mash up the meat. So that's what I'm doing right now. Now we'll add a little bit of oregano and a little bit of garlic. Oh no. Make sure to not put too much. I like chewing on raw spaghetti while waiting. Now that the water's boiling, you put the spaghetti in. Here's our fact for today. Eating pasta makes you happy. It's true. The carbohydrates in pasta increase the body's production of serotonin, the neurotransmitter that scientists believe trigger the feelings of happiness and well-being. And don't forget to stir your spaghetti. Carbohydrates, serotonin, and neurotransmitter. Now you have to add the pasta sauce to the meat and mix. And now you have to mix. There's a little cooking secret that if you throw a piece of spaghetti on the wall and it sticks, it's done. So let's try. It's done! Yay! After you ask an adult to drain the spaghetti, it's ready to serve. And now you put in some Parmesan. Ooh, I forgot my joke. What do you call a fake noodle?
What?
An impasta. Bye, folks.